The West Indies limited over setup is now without a captain after 34-year-old all-rounder Karen Pollard announced his retirement from international cricket on Wednesday.
It might have come as a surprise when Trinidadian Karen Pollard announced his retirement from international cricket on Wednesday. But while many did not anticipate Pollard's announcement, West Indies legend Andy Roberts didn't find it newsworthy.
What's the point? I don't know. You all find it strange, but I don't find it strange. He or somebody said that they were about rebuilding around him, but I felt that if you're going to rebuild, if you're going to rebuild, you're better off rebuilding with somebody who can give you 12 years service than to rebuild with somebody who can only give you 2.
Former West Indies opener Phil Wallace says Pollard's days as white ball captain were numbered following the disappointing T20 World Cup performance last year.
He has not really delivered the type of results and the performances that you were expecting of him when he took the job as white ball captain of Cricket West Indies teams. And obviously with the poor performances at the just concluded T20 World Cup, that would have weighed heavy on his mind, because don't forget, he said, it is not a developmental tour, but we certainly play like if we were a developmental side with a lot of experience.
In his social media post on Wednesday, Pollard did not give specifics as to the reason for his retirement from international cricket. At present, Nicholas Puran is the vice captain of the Windies T20 team, while Sheikh Hope was Pollard's deputy for the one-day international team. Renata Brown for TVJ Sports.